Welcome to my channel Chemistry with DNA. I am Noman Ahmed, and today we are going to discuss important topic of chemistry, that is percent composition. Percentage composition. What is percentage composition? सबसे पहले तो आपको परसेंटेज का पता होना चाहिए. What is percentage? Percentage. Per mean one, tage mean out of 100%. Percent, cent mean 100, so per 100, what out, 1 out of 100, 2 out of 100, how much out of 100, that is called percentage. Percentage mean per 1, cent mean 100, how much out of 100 is called a percent, and this is called percentage composition. So we are going to discuss percentage composition. What is percentage composition? Basically the amount of substance present in a compound in term of percent is called percentage composition. So before starting this topic, let me introduce the important formula of this, and also one question. What the importance of this topic is very important. Question is, what is the percentage composition of each element? What is the percentage composition of, what is the percentage composition of each element? What is the percentage composition of each elements in a formula? The formula is given: compound of element in anhydrous copper sulfate. What is the percentage composition of each element in anhydrous copper sulfate? You can also write PHATE as well, and also the formula PHAT and F also, both are correct ones. So there is no difference between F and PH in chemistry. Okay, what is the percentage composition of each element in an anhydrous copper sulfate? So first you must remember what is the copper sulfate formula. The copper sulfate formula is CuSO4. So you have to find how much copper is present, how much sulfur is present, and how much oxygen is present in terms of percentage. So the formula is very much important. Formula. What is the formula? The formula is, that is percentage of element is, which we are going to find. Suppose if we find out the copper, so we will write it copper. If you want to find out sulfur, so we will write it the name of sulfur. अगर हम ऑक्सीजन को मालूम करना चाहते हैं, we will write the name of oxygen. This is starting. Okay, the second term, percentage of element, that is element which, and a molecular mass of, the second molecular weight of element divided by molecular weight of compound into 100. This is the formula. Percentage of element, molecular weight of element, molecular weight of compound into 100. Now suppose अगर हम एक कॉपर का मालूम करना चाहें, तो कॉपर का मोलिकुलर वेट मालूम करेंगे, उसके पूरे के मोलर मास पे डिवाइड करके 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो वी विल फाइंड आउट द percentage composition of copper. Then in the same, in case of sulfur and oxygen, will be performed in the same formula. Now see, let me introduce this formula. Okay, that was the formula. Now what is the percentage of copper? Percentage of sulfur, and the third element is present in it is oxygen, so we can say percentage of oxygen. Now see, we will write the same formula. Now see, the molecular mass of copper is 63.5, and what is the molecular mass of the whole compound? If we just find out the molecular mass, copper is 63.5 plus sulfur is 32 plus oxygen is 16 multiplied by 4, that comes into 159.5 gram per mole is the molecular mass of the formula. So now 63.5 is nothing, is 159.5 is the molecular mass, 63.5 is the molecular weight. So we will divide it by 159 point, round about 0.6 will be the answer, 0.6 gram per mole. You will do this calculation on your calculator. 0.6 multiplied by 100, so that comes out to be round about 39.81%. 39.81% will be the percentage of copper in copper sulfate. Okay, now percentage of sulfur. Sulfur, of course, the molecular mass of sulfur is 32, so we can say 32 divided by 159.06 multiplied by 100. So just perform this calculation, you will get 20.09%. 20.09% of sulfur will be present in copper sulfate. And if the same calculation is applied on like oxygen, oxygen is present here in this formula, 60 multiplied by 4, 64 gram, and now this molar mass is 159.06 gram per mole divided by 100 multiplied by 100, that will be 40.0% will be the percentage of sulfur. Now if you just combine all of them, so in terms of now see, this is the percentage of copper, this is percentage of sulfur, this is percentage of oxygen. So the answer must be 99.99 or 100%. Both are correct. So in some books 99.9 and some hundreds are, both are correct ones. So this is the percentage of copper in copper sulfate. This is the percentage of sulfur in percentage of sulfur in copper sulfate, and this is the percentage of oxygen in copper sulfate. So every compound has its own percentage of element present in a compound. So we just this is the formula, this is the method. You will take out the percentage of every element. So this is very small topic, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Take a very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.